Purple.
Purple? Mr. Solomon, what color is it? That's white and gold.
No, that's not white.
Are you serious?
This is white and gold. That dress is clearly blue and black.
All right,
Yeah,
now
blue and
let's
black.
see.
That's weird. Christiana, stop.
Don't come back down. It's clearly blue and black.
I think it's. Daddy, let me see the picture
I
again.
understand.
No, seriously.
No, I promise you.
That's
Okay.
why people. That's
Take
why
your
people.
glasses off and look.
This happened
Okay,
last
wait, maybe
night.
if we
Yeah,
had
you see
all
how
like,
sitting
I did not
in
see
the
no
yellow?
white and gold. Not even
You
just
see
that
white and
gold.
gold too, right,
Yes,
Kim?
yes, that's
Kim,
what
and
I
then
see.
You see white and gold?
Yes, that's what I see.
I see
Oh
white
wait,
and gold
what
too.
lines are white and gold though?
Is that's why I was freaking out. My daughters, one of them saw
This
blue
is
and black.
white and then this is gold.
Yes.
That's what I see.
The jacket
Like
is white.
straight,
Are you
white.
serious?
This is white, like white,
This
like
is
this.
crazy.
The jacket
This
is
is
white.
crazy because
Do
what
you
I
have
see.
glasses?
No,
That's
because
what
this is crazy because what I see here is blue and this is black.
No,
No,
I see white and
white
gold.
and
It
gold.
looks like what you have
I
on.
promise.
Oh my God, this is freaking me out right now.
Why is
This
that
freaking me
happening?
That's how I
Is this
was.
demonic? Are y'all?
I'm serious.
out. This look no seriously.
Hey, put your code in one more time.
Seriously, this
That's
is freaking
that's
me out
not.
right
That
now.
can't.
Yes,
That can't be real.
that's how I was last night with my sister
This
and
is
my
freaking
daughters.
me out. Like seriously.
And my mom.
Because
Yeah, what your mama see? What color
She
did your
saw,
mama see?
she saw beige and white. She said beige and white. Golden.
What? How can blue possibly? So do y'all see the sleeves as being white too?
Yes, the sleeves are white and it has, you know, this
Wow.
is white, this is gold, gold, you
No.
know, and stripes.
So you don't see no blue.
No
Right
blue,
now.
no
I don't
black.
see Any blue,
No
any,
blue, no
any,
Are y'all
any-
serious?
I am so serious. I
This
am
is
so
freaking me
serious.
out.
Try
Like,
to look at it with your
listen,
glasses
I
off.
am so serious. I'm serious. The same thing. It's just blurry.
I
is
see
that
blue and
possible?
black. I see blue and
Let me see,
black.
let me
Oh
see,
my
let me
God.
see.
How is that possible?
That's why. That's why so much
white and gold. That's what
controversy
I see.
because
Sister,
I think it's what people are actually seeing. So what does that mean? If you see white and gold, what does that mean?
Yes,
Do
because
you
no
mean
matter
you're
what
certain
angle,
you're a certain type of person if you see white and gold? And
is
if
it
you
like
see
your
black,
IQs have anything to do with your IQ? Does it have anything to do with what?
But I see white and gold, and my
Yes.
sister sees
This is
blue
so weird.
and white.
this is weird. This is weird.
That's
Now,
very weird.
now I'm gonna go.
Now I want to be a part of the controversy.
No. Now I'm gonna go and research to
Yes.
see what that means. So if you see white and gold, what does that mean? If you see blue and black, what does it mean? Does it mean the people that see white and gold is crazy?
I don't know.
She's like,
I don't know what it is, but I see white.
That's crazy. I can't believe y'all see white and gold.
I'm supposed to research this, y'all. Y'all driving
It's
me
crazy.
crazy. I'm researching
That's very
it
crazy.
right now. Right now. I'm supposed to see what this means.
What
do y'all
like
think?
The dress.